claim and how to avoid the ripoffs out there, Jen.
Well, Target is settling a class action lawsuit over the security breach for $10 million. You can get a share of that if you shopped at Target from November 27th to December 18, 2013 and suffered losses, or you were notified that your personal information was compromised. If you want to file a claim, you go to targetbreachsettlement.com. You'll have to answer several questions and may not qualify depending on your answers. Notices are also being sent to homes. Now be leery if you get an email about this. When you hover over the link in the email, you can see you're going to an illegitimate site and not the real Target breach settlement site. Always hover before clicking on any link in an email from an untrusted source. That way you can prevent malware on your computer or your personal information being stolen. Your refund will depend on how many people sign up for this settlement. You have until the end of July to submit a claim. Now, Target denies any wrongdoing, but is also beefing up security as part of the suit. I'm Consumer Watchdog Jen Strathman, fighting for you.